Can you sell a house as is without taking a low offer? That's our topic today. We'll get started right after this.
Some trustees, they might think that selling as is means accepting a low offer from a flipper. But as is, it doesn't mean unprepared, and it doesn't mean that you have to undervalue your loved one's home.
With the right approach, an as-is offer can still achieve the best value for the estate. We recently had a situation where a few simple changes completely shifted the outcome for the estate. Hi, I'm Ashley Rivera.
And I'm Kim Ward. We work together here in San Diego. We help executors, administrators, and trustees with homes in probate or a trust. And we have a referral network across the United States. So if your loved one's home is outside of California, we can still help you find a great agent. Now let's get back to our topic. Trustees, executors, or administrators, they can all feel a lot of pressure to get things done and also to do the right thing while they're getting things done. They want to honor their loved ones, avoid conflict, and move forward with the entire process.
That's right. When a home has deferred maintenance or maybe it's very dated, it can cause the executors and administrators or trustees to feel like the best option might be to sell to an investor. And what we want to show you is how a well-managed as-is sale can still produce a significantly positive outcome for the estate.
So what does as-is really mean? As-is, it can mean that the estate is not obligated to make any repairs before completing the sale. But it also does not mean the home cannot be cleaned, the personal property cannot be addressed, or the property can't be prepared for a sale.
It also does not mean that the home should skip the open market. Preparation and presentation still matter, and that's where the value is created. And in our experience, investors or flippers will rely on the confusion around the word as is to help lower their offer.
So why do personal representatives, why are they feeling pressured? They may be feeling fear around repair costs or unexpected expenses. They may have concerns about delays in the process, like having it drag out too long. And in many cases, there may be an emotional weight tied to the home of their loved one.
They might be feeling pressure from other beneficiaries to get the home sold quickly because they're in need of the finances attached to that. And they might be worried that buyers aren't interested in a home that needs work. And with the combination of these challenges or obstacles they might be facing, they might think that an investor or a flipper is the best option.
We met with a potential client that was the personal representative of his father's estate, and he shared with us that he felt kind of overwhelmed by the condition of the property and all the personal property in the home. The home had a lot of deferred maintenance. He told us that the flipper made them a cash offer and said it was as is, and he was kind of thinking that he was positioned to do that and that would be the best outcome for him and the estate.
The whole process had him emotionally drained, and he almost accepted the offer. But in one final last-ditch effort to try and get the best equity for the estate, he reached out to our company.
By that one phone call of reaching out to us, it helped him to make a better choice. He needed more facts. We met with him, we walked the property, and we focused on what really needed to happen in order to have a successful sale. We helped him by coordinating the clean out of the remaining personal property and a few small cost-effective improvements.
We scheduled for the property to be cleaned, we scheduled for the windows to be cleaned, and then we did some soft staging before having a professional photographer come in and take professional photos of the interior and exterior of the home. No major repairs were completed, but these simple steps caused the home to feel completely different and much more welcoming and inviting to buyers.
And the buyers were traditional buyers who are always going to pay more for a home. So once we got it on the market, After the preparation stage, buyers connected with the home right away. Interest was strong and activity picked up very quickly.
Multiple offers from buyers came in, and the final sales price was significantly higher than that of the investor who tried to purchase the property off market in the beginning. And in the end, the estate kept that additional equity, which was substantial, and really provided a lot more for the family who had inherited from their loved one.
So why does this process, this system, why does it work? Having removed all the remaining personal property, it allows buyers to see the space and what it can be. And a little bit of soft staging and the tiny repairs that I talked about earlier, they make the home feel more livable and more welcoming.
Buyers are often more willing to overlook cosmetic issues if they think that a home feels cared for. And exposure to the open market creates a larger buying pool, which also creates more potential buyers for the property, for the estate. Selling a home as is works when you prepare properly with all the steps that we've discussed, because it opens the market up, it helps buyers feel like the home is more welcoming and inviting, and in the end, it gets you more offers than what you would receive off market from an investor.
All of this creates more competition, and like Ashley said, more competition can create multiple offers, which is one of our favorite things for our clients. As is does not mean low value, and it doesn't require a lot of renovation to create a great result.
Flipper offers are often far below market value, so small steps like clearing out the personal property, light improvements, soft staging, and professional photos can really help to improve the value of the estate. And know that as a personal representative, you don't have to navigate this alone. You can hire professionals like us to help guide you through the process.
If you're dealing with an as-is situation and you're unsure of what to do next, it's worth a conversation.
We can walk the property with you and show you what will actually make a difference for the sale of the estate. A short conversation and a walkthrough can help you from leaving money on the table. And remember, again, we're here to help, so reach out to our company. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you're notified of our weekly videos.
Thanks for watching.